Hello everyone. This video we are going to look if you invested for UAE stock market, okay, for either ADX or DFM, as you are looking for dividend stock, okay. So most of the people did not aware about it, how you are getting information, right? How companies are announcing for dividend, okay, on time. How you know the information about the dividend stock, okay. So that information only we are going to look in this video related to ADX as well as for DFM. These are all the two stock exchanges available in UAE. Most of the people are aware about it, okay. Let's see. Okay, the first one, DFM, okay, Dubai Financial Market. Just you can type it in a Google, DFM, and you can click over here, Dubai Financial Market. Once you are clicking this one, it will come to the home page of DFM, okay. Then you have to click for investing. Under investing, you have to go to dividend distribution from here. Once you are clicking from here, you could know all the detail about whatever the company announced for the dividend from here, okay. All the company and annual general meeting, when it has been happened, what is the record date, and when you are getting payment, and what is the amount of dividend you will get it for per share, okay. All the detail you will get it from here for the DFM, okay. And what is the expansion of these things and all, I already posted for a video. Just you can look over there and you will get all the detail, okay. Now this video we are looking for where you are getting for the announcement of each and every company for the dividend declared, okay. So DFM listed companies, you will get it over here. For ADX, as the same way, you can go for Google. Just you can type it, you will get it for this home page, okay, for ADX. Once you are coming over here, just you can come end. If you are coming to an end for ADX listed ADX website, this is a little slow, okay. Just you can wait. Yeah, once you are coming at the bottom, okay, at the down, just you can go little up, and from here it's available for company disclosure as well as for the announcement, okay. From here it's available view all. Just you can click for view all over here, okay. And from here it is mentioned for listed companies disclosure, okay. From here only all the information, each and every day the company is thinking that this information related to shareholders, in a sense, those all information will be coming over here, okay. So what you need to do, from here you can check it for dividend stocks one by one, depends upon the each day announcement. It's not like DFM, okay. For DFM it's available each and only for the dividend stock as well as the company, the announcement, everything will be in a well manner, right. It's well and good. So this is what the investor will be expected, okay. But in ADX point of view, it is not available this way. So what you need to do, depends upon the publishing date, you need to go in depth and you have to check it one by one, okay. So what you need to do, I am checking over here. See here, it's available Alia Satellite Communication Company Public Joint Stock Board meeting result, dividend to be held on, okay. So from here, just you can download from this one, okay. And once you are downloading over here, you will get it all the information, okay. When the meeting has been conducted, okay, what is the amount they are distributing for the dividend, okay. If you are looking, in a sense, what is the amount of dividend they are announcing, what is the ex dividend date, when you need to purchase, a record date, payment date, everything will be available, okay. If you are looking over here, you will get it all the information. This is a way you need to go through for ADX point of view, okay. And if you're coming down, any other announcement will be there, and something in a clear manner it is available dividend, something it's not available in a full way of dividend. So what you need to do, what is a communication for the shareholders, and from here if you're looking meeting public board meeting result, from the bracket it is available dividend. Suppose if it is not available, in a sense, whatever board meeting happened, that same document you have to open it over there, and from there it's available for dividend detail, okay. Example, just you can coming down, any other board meeting related detail is available or not, just you can go for second page, okay, and little you can go up. Suppose any other company will be available or not, you need to check it. Result held on, see from here, approve 650 million interim dividend, right? So you need to check one by one, and after that you need to get the information. But if you are comparing to DFM, such kind of thing available for ADX also, it is well and good, right? That is what all the investors they are expecting, because more companies listed in ADX, and trade volume is also more for ADX. So it means what, investor will be high over here. So the template is available same like DFM for dividend distribution. If it is available here, that is well and good. Not only for dividend, I am saying for right share, bonus issue, and stock split and everything else, right? So example, if you're downloading over here, and it's open, and from here see here interim dividend 7.94. so if you're go through all the detail, okay, from there you will get it all the information, what is a dividend date and everything else, okay. So this is a way in ADX as well as for DFM, you have to go and you have to get it for the detail for the dividend announcement, okay. I think this video will be helpful for everyone, for the beginner especially, okay. Suppose if it is useful to you, just you can give a like button, and you can give a comment below. If there is any query also, you can leave a comment, I will help you out, okay. As you are a new user, just you can subscribe this channel, and you can get it for all insights related to markets, okay. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this, bye.